And what about, you talk quite frequently about CTR manipulation, viral boosting, like how do you think like these things work, and how one can get started with CTR manipulation or viral boosting? Like what are the best tools and services one can use, and the right direction of using these, like when to get started with using all these things?
So my favorite thing about CTR is it just makes sense. Google's got all this data on user experience, and content and links we know is important, but you can't get a better recommendation than how the users are actually behaving on the page. So anything we can do to spoof that is obviously going to be valuable. So a great way to start is actually a platform called Microworkers, where you can literally go in, and these are real people around the world just picking up small micro tasks, small jobs, a bit like Amazon Mechanical Turk. So if you want to pay 100 people, it only costs you around $10 or so to get a lot of people to actually go and interact with your website if you want them to. So that's a great way to start, because you don't need to set up a whole tool and software. So I'm a big fan of CTR Booster, but as we've seen all these changes on the search results, some of these tools, they do break and they need to be patched. And on top of that, you need to put them on the VPS, you need to use the right proxies,
Yeah.
and it's a mess. So yeah, they work and I like them, but ultimately I think if you're just starting out,
Manual
yeah,
ways.
do it manually. You can even do it with Facebook ads. And I've got this process called Click Bomb, where we basically send 5,000 viral clicks to your website. And as long as you're ranking in the top 30, generally you will jump onto page 1. It's only a temporary boost, it lasts about 7 days. But again, that's an extremely powerful signal.
Yeah, and for competitive terms, I guess even 7 days is a lot of money already.
Yes. Yeah.
Like, yeah,
Or something like that.
something of
Exactly.
that sort. Yeah.
Yeah, people panic saying, but it's only a temporary boost. Yes, but if
Yeah.
you make that much money in 7 days, just do it every week and it's fine.
Okay.